study about the parts of the plant, and that is a new chapter. Previous class we have studied chapter number 7, that is nesting habits of birds. Today in chapter number 8 we are going to study about parts of the plant. And in plants we have two main systems, or we can call it two main parts of the plant, that is the root system and the shoot system. The root system is below the ground. You can find it that the root system is below the ground, and the shoot system is above the ground. Okay. In your book you can see there is a picture in page number 50, that is the parts of the plant. You can find out there is two systems, that is shoot and root system. And here the root system is below the ground and the shoot system is above the ground. First of all, let's study about the root system. The part of the plant that grows under the soil is called the root. You cannot see it above the ground. There are two types of roots, that is taproot and fibrous roots. Okay. Beside two different parts of the plant, okay, you can find it another two types of roots, that is the shoot system and that is the taproots and fibrous roots. Taproot. Some plants have a thick main root below the stem. It goes deep into the soil. Such a root is called a taproot. Several thinner side roots grow from the main roots. Balsam, hibiscus, bean and mustard plants have taproots. Okay, these are some plants which we call it taproots, or which comes under taproot. That is the roots. Okay, the roots, they have thick, okay, main root below the stem, and it goes deep inside the ground. It does not go only slightly inside the ground, but it goes deep inside the ground. Second part is the fibrous roots. Grass have no main roots. It has number of tiny roots growing from the end of the stem. These looks like a bunch of roots. These are fibrous roots. Rice, wheat and onion also have fibrous roots. Okay, I'll show you an example, a small example. Okay, consider this is a plant. Okay, you can find out that this plant, you can consider this as two parts. Okay, this below this portion is called the root system and above is called the shoot system. Okay, now you can see here that these roots, okay, they goes deep inside the ground and it has some thick main roots. Okay, but the fibrous roots, okay, the fibrous roots, it grows in a bushy type. Okay, and it does not go deep inside the ground. That is the difference between the fibrous and the taproots. Okay, now what do roots do? Okay, if plants did not have roots, they would topple over. Roots fix a plant firmly to the soil, like we have our feet, which helps us to stand straight. Okay, after that, in plants the roots help them to stand straight and strong firmly. Okay. Second thing, plants need water and minerals from the soil. Roots take this and send up to the shoot system. The roots of some plants, such as the carrot, radish and beetroot, store food prepared by the plant. Okay, these are some plants, okay, like the carrot, radish, beetroot. Okay, they store the food, okay, of the plant in the root, but not in the stem. The shoot system. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot system. Like this part, okay, this above part is called the shoot system. Then it has stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits, and grow on the stem. Fruits have seeds inside them from which new plants grow. Okay, we can see in a mango tree that the tree gives mango, and when the mangoes become ripe, after that the mangoes fall on the ground. Okay, it decomposes, and after that the seed, okay, it remains on the ground. It starts to form root slowly, and from there small seedlings come out. Okay, in a buds, we can call that seedling. Okay, which come out is a bud. From there we can see that some small plants is to come out, and after that it grows into a big tree. Next is the stem. The main part of the shoot is the stem. Some stems are soft and some are hard. Trees such as banyan and mango have a hard and strong stem. It is called a trunk. Here we can see 2 points. Number 1 is what do stems do, and number 2, what do the leaves do. First we are going to see what do the stems do. Okay, the system Okay, the stem system gives support to the other plants of the plant. It makes the plant stand upright or help it to climb. It carries water and minerals to the leaves. It also carries the food made by the leaves to all parts of the plant. In some plants such as the sugarcane, the food made by the plant is stored in the stem. Ginger, potato and turmeric are underground stems that store food. Okay. Now the stem, okay, the stem, it helps to stand, okay, it helps the plants to stand upright, that means stand straight, okay, above the ground level, just like the spinal cord in a human body. Okay, and it also carries the food, okay, which is prepared by the leaves to all parts of the plant, okay, and it supplies the food to different parts of the plant. Now, second point is, what do the leaves do? The main function of leaves is to make food for the plant. The leaves use water, a gas called carbon dioxide present in the air, and sunlight to make food. Air enters leaves to the stomata. The leaves take carbon dioxide from the air. Water travels up from the roots and reaches the leaves through the stem. Leaves have a substance called chlorophyll. It is a green in color and gives leaves their green color. It absorbs the sunlight needed to make food. Plants cannot make food without chlorophyll. Okay, so the main function of the leaf is to prepare food for the plant and supply it to different parts of the plant. Okay, and the leaves, they give out carbon dioxide, they take in carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. That is the oxygen which is inhaled by us, and the carbon dioxide which is exhaled by us is taken by the plants, and the plants which give out oxygen is taken by the human being. That means both the human and plants are interrelated. That means we are helping the plants and plants are also helping us to survive. Now the last part, flowers, fruits and seeds. Flowers are of many shapes, sizes and colors. Many of them have a sweet scent. Flowers change into fruits. Some fruits are fleshy and juicy to eat. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits such as mango, lychee and peach have only one seed inside them. Okay. Now, after the plants grows up, okay, it gives flower. Then from that flower, some fruits comes up. The fruits, okay, is consumed by us, or if it is not consumed by us, it falls down to the ground and it comes up in another form of a plant. Okay. This is the nature of plant. Now, we have learned something about the parts of a plant. Okay, what do the parts do? How many systems are there in a plant? Okay, there are two systems. There is a root system and a shoot system. Okay, then there are two types of roots. There is fibrous roots and taproots. Okay, here we have come to the end of the chapter, and I hope everyone is fine at home. Okay, and in the next class, okay, we are going to go through another new chapter. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for self, do it for family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. हम होंगे कामयाब. जय हिंद.